It's my palm tree today. I'll be covering it up in a couple weeks for the winter. I've had it in the ground probably about 5 years. This year is the best year ever. Come up with a better way of protecting it for the winter. And also got a small one seedling. These are Windmill Palm or Tropicarpus fortunei. And I got another one here that when I got it was probably about 3 feet, 3.5 feet tall. And all the leaves turned brown on it, and I got some new shoots, so hopefully it'll do better next year. And that's it. And I'll probably be putting little clips that I took of these before here from last summer, and so this spring when I uncovered them. So that's it.